What we're going to do in this video is show you how you can take your crypto assets, your tokens, from your crypto.com app and send them to cold storage. So right here we have a Trezor Model T. It's hooked up to the computer. What we're going to do is go into our crypto.com app and we're going to go to our accounts. What we're going to do is go to our crypto wallet. And of course we have fiat, crypto.com Visa card, crypto earn, and then our wallet. Once we're in our wallet, we're going to click on Cardano. And you could do this with any other coin as well. So we're just going to refresh that, make sure we're about right. So as you can see here, it wasn't long ago, I had already withdrawn some Cardano, 600, and I recently bought 1,000 Cardano, actually 1,100 ADA. What we're going to do is click on the transfer button. So hit transfer and go to withdraw. All right. Now what you're going to do is click on external wallet. So that's going to be our Trezor Model T. So this wallet is already connected here, but I'll show you how you could create a new one. We're going to hit external wallet. As you can see here, we have the Trezor T Mitch. So all we have to do is hit withdraw. Now, if you haven't set this up yet, what you're going to do is click on this plus button, and then you're going to go to wallet address. All right. And then you will put your name, and then you will also scan your QR code, your public address. Let's say that we're going to send this to our wallet. We will send it to my Trezor T. So this is my Trezor T. We have 9,000 ADA, 9,076 to be specific. Let's say that we want to send some to the NAMI wallet. So what we're going to do is go to our app. We're going to type in Mitch NAMI account. Okay. Then we are going to scan our NAMI public address. So now we have our public address, and we are going to click continue and put in our password. There we go. So we also have the two-factor authentication. So that's not a bad thing. We're going to go to our authenticator, and we are going to plug that in as well. So make sure that you set up all of this ahead of time. So we'll paste that. So now we have two different wallets. That's at least for me. You could set up as many as you want. Now, I'm not sure if you have to wait a 24 or 48 hour period in order to be able to withdraw. That depends on how new it is. But what we're going to do is we're going to send 1,100 ADA to our Trezor Model T. So that's going to be this one named Steve. I've done a few of these, so I know what I'm doing when it comes to this. Now, make sure that you test it first. My pro tip, before you send a significant amount, is to send a smaller amount. Even if you have to pay a little fee, that's more than fine. It's better than you sending 1,100 ADA to the wrong address. So just remember that. If you're sending somebody a large fee, always break it down. Do a test one of $20. Because if you lose $20, it's different than losing, in this case, what is that, $500, $600, $700? So you don't want to do that. So we're going to click on Trezor T. And because I've already tested this, I'm going to send 1,100 ADA. So we're going to click withdraw. All right. And the fee is 0.5 ADA. So that's pretty good. That's pretty cheap. Crypto.com would take a bigger cut if this were Bitcoin. So we're going to hit confirm, and we are going to put in our password. And now we have to do two more steps in terms of security. So we are going to hit send. This is going to send me a text message. So on my phone, I'm going to put in the number 639739. And then we're also going to go to our two-factor again. So I'm going to go to my app, and we're going to be very swift here. And we're going to have to copy and paste our two-factor. This is all for security purposes, which is fine. And there we go. Our ADA has been successfully withdrawn. So now we're just going to have to wait for Crypto.com to send the funds to our wallet. Now all we have to do is go to pool.pm. You could put in your ADA address. Well, I've already done that. And if you're somebody who already has ADA, you can go to the search bar and you can search your ADA handle or put in your public address. So I will put Red Cape and I'll wait to see my funds. And you will also be notified when your deposit has hit your public address.